Hi S1, how was your first week of online learning? If you're anything like me, you're probably still finding your way with it a little bit. You're probably still figuring things out. With that said, I have been loving looking at all of the preparation that you have done for your individual presentations. I've been so delighted by all the different types of people that you've chosen as your heroes. We've had all kinds of people. We've had Vincent van Gogh, we've had Barack Obama, we've had Chadwick Boseman, we've had Sir Lewis Hamilton, Brendan Urie, and I've loved finding out more about all of the people that you've been researching. And hopefully you have been enjoying doing that as well. Now this week you have got two new tasks to do, and they're both relate a little bit to the tasks that you should have completed last week. If you're a little bit behind or you're finding it hard to manage things, just send me a message on Teams or send me an email and let me know. In the meantime, this week, you should now have done your research on your hero, so one of your tasks is going to be to take your research and turn that into a finished talk. That means adding an introduction, adding a conclusion, and then practicing delivering your talk so that when you get back to school and you have to stand up and give your talk in front of the class, you're not standing just reading it off your notes or reading off a piece of paper like this. Solo talks that are delivered when somebody's hiding behind a piece of paper are not usually very good, as you can see. So, lots of practice. Hopefully you've got somebody in the house, maybe you can practice for them and they can give you some feedback. There's a video for you to watch and a PowerPoint with more information. When it comes time to submit your work, I want you to submit to me your full introduction all written out in sentences, your full conclusion all written out in sentences, and in the middle the bullet points for what you're going to say for all your information about your hero that you should already have done. And if you're not sure about anything, send me a note. I'm also going to add a little bit of extra challenge. That is all you need to do for that just now. You'll be giving your talk when you get back to school, but if any of you want to push yourself, if you've got a bit of time, you could always try recording it as a narrated PowerPoint or as a sound file on your phone, and then you could upload it to me for me to listen to. I would love to hear that. Now that is optional, but the option is there. You have one other task this week. It is some word choice questions. It was really good last week seeing some of you get the idea of what connotations are. Remember, connotations are what a word suggests. Not what it means, but what it suggests. So for example, I'm wearing a red hairband today. We know what red means, it's a colour, but the colour red can also suggest danger, or to stop, or sometimes excitement. Maybe not in this case, but it can suggest all those things. So those are connotations. Have a little look at that and remember to use the word choice formula. When it comes to submitting any of your work, some of you have been using Class Notebook, but I think we've been finding it maybe a wee bit footery. So probably the easiest way is to click on the assignment and upload a file. And that file can be a Word document, it can be a PowerPoint, or it can be a picture of your jotter. As long as it's a photograph and you can read the writing, that's fine. I hope you're all really well. Get in touch if there's anything at all you're not sure about, you're not worried about, and I cannot wait to see you again in person soon. Stay safe.